Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to our channel. So today is Sunday, guys. We're doing some yard work. We're cutting the yard, and then we want to do some outdoor cooking. I'm looking at the skies right now, and it's kind of dark, so I don't know if we can do the outdoor cooking. Husband is up the road, he's cutting the yard. My back is killing me. I think I slept bad last night. Whew. Make fire.
Because I said so. Well, then make a camp.
Sean says I'm not setting me for me because he don't want me to blast up myself.
Let me do it.
No, you go.
I'm crazy.
We're making a fire to cook.
I'm crazy. I want to.
That's something we put dry something on it. Dry bramble. I've never made an outside fire, I'm trying.
You cutting it? To make food? To make food.
Maya,
What? When you just cut it, then
build a water for your tail like a.
don't let it.
Why you leave it up there? It's in. It's in. So we're doing chicken neck, guys. Brown stew chicken neck. What the recipe, Sean? The recipe. There's a one recipe.
Don't know me already.
Make fire. Put it on.
The job done already.
Come here.
We need a pot. I'm tired, you know. Stop them already.
Move, Justin.
No!
Oh, that's strong. Move Maya, because I don't move.
Where put the knife down? Put the knife
You
down.
couldn't tell me, say, I like it.
Let's take these.
Yeah, man, there's a gun now.
Guys, it's not even raining hard.
Well, it a come
And look at my fire. My fire is dead. Oh, it just came down sudden. So yes, guys, it's raining. So we have to run on the inside with the pots and the stuff. Yep. Like I said, we had no control over the rain.
I
Yeah.
saw the rain go down. Not it go up.
You can hear the disappointment in my voice, guys, because I was feeling the outside kitchen, the outside cooking, and now I can't. But we're still gonna get dinner, because it's still gonna cook.
Daddy's cooking out there.
No, Dad is not out there. Dad is in the bathroom, gone to bed, because he was cutting the yard. What you doing? So guys, all I'm cooking today is some jasmine rice with the brown stew chicken neck, and I'm gonna do some popchow for vegetable. Ooh, okay guys, so this is ready to get some water. I'm gonna put some water in it, guys. So this is how I do my chicken neck. I like when they have like this. Yes guys, I like when they have how to burn spot on them. That's how I do my chicken neck when I'm brown stewing it. Tastes so much better. So now I'm gonna put the seasoning, guys. Let me show you. So I have all the seasoning in this, guys, all of them. Everything with some yam. I don't have enough potato, so I put some yam. I have carrot and onion, all of that. Okay guys, so I pour some water in it. I'm gonna put some browning in it, and then I'm gonna cover it up. So guys, now I'm gonna add some more browning to the meat. So the rice needs some more water, guys. Nice. I'm gonna cover it up, turn it down. I'm gonna add some ketchup. Not too much ketchup. But look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. That's pretty. Okay, so now I'm going to do some popchow. I'm going to wash these popchow, guys. Wash them and cut them up. Whew. And then I'm going to show you guys. So all I'm going to put in it is carrot. Huh?
If I want to be myself, then they know.
You can bathe yourself, Jamaya? Hmm? Your sister have to help you. So guys, let's do this off camera. And when I'm cutting up, I'll show you. There you have it, guys. Dinner is all done and ready to be eaten. Looking so yummy. So over here you have the brown stew, chicken neck, the plantain, and the jasmine rice with the popchow. It's looking so delicious, guys.
I begin to I begin to